yet. I spit it so correct. You like, how does he flex? It's my sizzy connected to the BB. Every now and then you see me on your TV. Wannabes wanna be me as I stride to the east and west side. Best ride as I test drive. Let's drive in the style. Buck wide, get a storm child and you know me. Act in the hood like I wanna be homie. I'm the rubber on the mic that said it. But whack MCs are collecting my credit. Is it real, y'all? Is it really real what he says, what he spits? Cause I feel another hit, that's a shot, let me bang it. So go straight, slam it, jam it right up in your system. You know that Dirty D got the flow to make you listen. Line them up and twist them. You know that Dirty D's about to go and diss them. Incredible, magical, systematical, like what you reap is what you sow. Have you heard that line before? Have you felt that rhyme before? As you smashing through the door, as you climb through the window, creeping on your thieving toes, can you feel the seeking flows from the ceiling to the floor? I suppose you catch my drip from the top of your clip. Mic suspended, so I extended the whole damn set now. Rearrange and exchange as I check out. Tumble right into your jungle as I make your cookie crumble, and you know that you're in trouble, cause I'm one of a kind. I'm shocking your mind, and all of the time, you know that brother Dirty D is feeling fine. D-I-R to the T-Y-D. You know that he's no other MC that's so tight like me, right like me. So bring it one time to the man, get dirty on the mic with all those features that you never did.